What's happening, everybody? It's Huddy. I'm here with Dawn Michelle Crow of Keller Williams Realty. We got a big headline that's been happening out there. Dawn, what are we talking about today?
All I hear about is interest rates going through the roof.
That's right. And every time I'm talking to someone, I hear a gasp when we're talking about the interest rate. But there is some things we can do.
There's more to the story than just interest rates. So first of all, we got to look at what is the historical rate over the last 20 some odd years.
Right. So I did some math and I looked at the year 2000 up to last month, and that 30-year average interest rate is about 5.34% or 5.5%, right in that range. And if we look at today's rate, they're a little bit higher than that, around 6.5 to 6.75, depending on your situation.
Right, but there are so many strategies that we can employ to help reduce that rate.
That's right. And Dawn, being the real estate agent, having a lot of listings out there right now, how are some of these offers coming in? Because we talked before, there is negotiation. So what are you seeing out there?
Yeah, absolutely. So negotiations are happening. We're doing inspections. I don't see the appraisal guarantees. And, you know, we can talk about doing seller pays potentially. And seller pays could include doing a buy down.
That's right. So what Dawn's referring to is having the seller pay your closing costs, which also could include paying to buy down your interest rate.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can buy down your own interest rate if you want to. There's other options available.
Yeah, there is. You could look at maybe an adjustable rate mortgage, which means it doesn't mean it adjusts every year or every 6 months. There's 5-year, 7-year, 10-year terms out there in case the market rebounds back and we see interest rates come back down over the next maybe 18 months or 2 years, whatever time frame that might be.
But all of this doesn't matter because the main thing that matters is, what is my payment?
That's right. We want to look at the payment, and we also want to look at what your goals are for that next house or that first house.
Right. It comes down to marry the house, date the rate.
That's right. That's what I talk about. Marry the house, date the rate. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. As always, you can shoot a message. Thanks for checking out the video. We'll see you at the next one.